na bi adwirabu na we na akọba ne se no kasa kire bebre ade se yewie no mo nim de wa de ni mu ankasa no ye no mu di nkomo a o matimi akire nya ye kwa ankasa.
All right, enti pictures na ye hu no already no said the ade o hwe said the etie na ya akwa se uncompleted building na abuagu na che say dan na ye wie ye nsi wie on.
Hey papa so fu nsi wie yo edan no so wie
eti ka obesa to aso bi akosoro a
oh Jerry ko be to aso akwa.
Wow
oh wie but the dynasty watch over 20 years.
Right o de koso ana na MSSC an yen saka videos no ne ade na o de abani bi nitina amafo betimi a join on Facebook na omo mo ahwe no mo eti koso afo wani di akire na BBS biemu a na wa mayaso ate se ye betimi anya enipa dodo na age omo kwa in this situation na why
Master Jerry.
All right yenso ye da se yenu abe makwesi azo na yete ne nka no na ade ne ha dwe me pa cho se si ya ye ka sei no edwagu o Facebook enti ubetimi ahu the collapsed church building no and how severe the situation is. Wa ubetimi ahwe ubetimi a join on Facebook ona wa hwa ade no sisi a very terrible hard rain. I mean the etimi nsunu mu ye the fact that excavators you dey begu a nkrofo no ye because omo anya expert
enipa da so shade na see
na me kan
pese ye dan esi ebubugu asi nipa shase
no
ebe den se nipa ebenya nkwa aginyame
wow
unse omenso ade ba ko eto si
amanfo so no esu twaja adosa
disaster esie your response
to it no yeah
na say akandia no enni ho the whole Ghana
and you see it is the entire building
I think somebody now
and part of the building
now was a helicopter square I started fly call
this is an emergency
yemfa expert in free her immediately because some the excavator gree no matiti nipa na
na me ken
na ya na me video ba ya anoma ba afi prebuom aba beto for my block the whole road and the kwakusa the fence saying that the idea the time near cost the fence saying
crane bi na
atam anoma ne ba san ko tum back France me ba ha what I say on my
share picture no the entire building in na collapse no and part of the building no
you know say the dan yesi abubu asi ni pasha
asi
and here can nyina so tese wo mchem
esi opinion on inside wow
come on
no this is serious this is serious
this is uncomfortable
omo ebisa say asori be na church of prosperity asori ni din no
so for no Akwa Isaac onye ne so for Akwa Isaac wonte
ya benye na
Akwa Isaac esoro no
akwa na say akwa
sano ka Akwa Isaac onye ne so for me meti ni din nye ne kra Akwa Isaac
asamne unse nipa etwahia so uhwe video nipa etwahia onyina ensu omo se de aduro ne de
nipa ne dodo na be free mu
me up to now even me come asem up to now have the conviction say nipa ne nyom nyina akra ne hu
no yeah
so what I say and uhwe se de den yesi adwura gu ya kwaku
wow
aginyame
kwaku se uti akwa na asem ne ye o se papa ne se nyankopon ne yi chen se onsi sa dan no
na Nyankopon yi ade kire wo at least they will be on so onim de ntu dane ma say nipa no na do sika no mpa ba ta kire
me Akwa Isaac no na mi so achew and I'm hearing say a dan no or starting is dan we construction in yen I am thinking say
menye architect and I menye expect but to share pillars ye gawa we
the sort of
twaso nwotwe
iron rods millimeter of iron rods
and ubesi is a high rise building na ye iron rods be on mo de
yeah
because the no so and no board na ye in this case dent here no so I see na say akase no ko so what me ya ban so 580 no one
ni breza here
so be tie na say the tower of one Babylon's one bi na
Babel
move say tower of Babel
anya no bia
I don't be the paper so see na was so be to us
na sa dan ho abakwa se wunu na ne tintin se de ne te
ana so osi onwie ye
oh no na yi Dubai for dan ko mo ka se dan a wunu me dan a tintin wo wiase bi ni we
they say nu 10
kwa me pa
yes was 8
na GC before a tower here wa you ground one channel what are you talking about
yes onwie ye o ton o mo ka wonte ye yi chire no te so onsi anko ka nyame ana de
but asem na abanaro but to the yen kasa mfa nipa na akamu no ho for this
yeah
that is my worry now
after
you see
you won sem bia was say yebisa
the reason why
especially say unse eba ye sofo na kasa so no kasa uni aso de
o fie
and performance na atrapium
you see the reason why na me bisa no make me I say na me cut so much on the issue of excavator na ye no say imagine say wo hobby na excavator ya na nu ya sonson yi abete ade ne ko say now but
the fact of the matter is no matter how rescue mission ebe ko even use experience den ya activity na ebe affect ni pa ni bi
yes
ebe save ni pa ni bi ebe affect ni pa ni bi
oh gosh
very serious
this is
very serious unim say enano mekoma say me see there's one boy edan ni bu yo no ba bi okoto e no edan ni bi bu be si ni nsa so say enti ni nsa ni se ona ade ni si so na ontimi ntwe ne nsa no na ne nsa sha sasema ya kanya sam ketwa o esi ni nsa so eti apparently by the time an nsa no mutimi yi fi adna se no na ne nsa ne ho nam nyina se no awro na aka enkase no enye ade na esi de nya sam ketwa
da bi de bu de nya ketwa ni mo
enti we ye esi osa no ai se esi obi ba bi ate se ho me kura onya bi mpo no ahome
Charlie
yeah ni mpa bobo no ye mpa
obi asane me message say good evening Kwame, please, I know the place. I'm from Achim Oda. The pastor should have given the project to a contractor, not church members.
I can
testify.
Also say
the number plaque I say up there friend or better testify.
Number omo ye kwasa fuduma.
What has here? Also the number DC. I you can call him. Akwa number the opa mo friend so ndo no or hobby or chronic so.
Oh gosh.
Call the number. What has here? I will bet my church mu. Kwako enyam mu bu enfanya safuduma. Abanso ready safuduma.
Ba abani say the amount for be wrong amount for say Ghana there onya bani say ya when be cancel you kura na nye sanso na situation
ade ne say
kwaku there can nadmo fire service even if possible Ghana Armed Forces for more rescue mission bia omo betimi akwakoboa at least also
helicopter
omo mfa bi nko ane achem say batabi was I don't think say would too much
I mean omo kan na me say I've passed by the place before
military phone ade nyina for mo
any around ai constituencies na around omo ambulances ni ade they move straight to the place
we are talking about 60 people
and make
as we dey mienu kura ekoka budan mu a asem kase a omo nyina heja ti we are talking about 60 people.
A serious issue.
Yeah.
A serious issue.
Charlie.
Mama, I'm ready for the national so the baby me fufu cry. Some na bomb anu kwa ko.
A serious. Asam na o kan say
also na bi ma da was sorry dem one. I saw them ya da ho ana.
There be so o say ayarefo wo mu.
Oyo mo ja ayarefo ni ade bi. Ma ho say hospital.
What I say?
I think match 8 story na say.
Onipa ne da.
Be ja ayarefo to ne ade nyina bia. A healing center, prayer and healing center.
Nti onipa no oda ho. Nti onipa kron already or helpless dada. On say dey.
Ante bi yare dada.
Or helpless dada no da ho.
Na dey na say
bu we so abeka ho. Eh serious.
Kwa be ba later. Ekwan ya first.
Yes, almost DC ne Nadmo director no so almost nyina
rescue team and a rescue work. I'm saying rescue mission. That was wrong. Rescue team and rescue workers.
Kwa ku yenu journalist ba ko friend Michael or ahoma so ne nkasa.
Mike, good evening.
Good evening, Jerry.
Okay, Mike, you say Ghana there are same here now we see yeah na doso. But can you confirm to us say enye expert and kasa they see down church members now they see down and said now okay.
Yeah, Jerry, me that's na menchia yete for abuti ofie kwanche ne anyway. Yeah, Jerry, let me say as I was saying, you know, I sorry that they see who ache and obia or batebi empatemu ebebe witness with us some American say na who sit down Jerry who sit down as a
udah kawan yang mulu dia. Masih udah betul. Udah kawan yang mulu dia. Masih udah betul.